When I think about the state of our children's mental health, I struggle. We have a high number of young people who are grappling on a daily basis with mental unwellness.
The fact that there's a child out there that is determined to end their life breaks my heart.
This issue is here. It is in our community.
Our health outcomes are bad, but what I can do in the clinic is only a fraction of what keeps a child healthy and well. It's not like a child has diabetes on Monday and depression on Wednesday and on Friday is dealing with poverty and not sure if there's going to be enough food to put on the table. The reality is that the children and families are dealing with all of those issues each and every day. So we're not getting it right.
If a child is truly going to reach optimal health, which is our mission, they simply can't do that if they don't have strong mental health.
And so where we need to go is being able to address all of those issues at the same time and bring a team of professionals to the child and to the family to support those needs. We really have to shift the model.
The earlier that we can intervene, the better the outcomes for children.
We really wanted to combat this crisis that our children were facing. We had to get upstream and address their needs with their families early on when they were beginning to have challenges. And that's really where the Connor Group stepped in.
So at the Connor Group Kids and Community Partners, we never talk about doing charity, we don't talk about philanthropy, we make nonprofit investments. We're really looking to make investments that give kids the tools to pull themselves and their families out of generational poverty. And when you think about it through that lens, there aren't many investments that can be made better than behavioral health.
Under the leadership of the Connor Group Kids and Community Partners, they are investing $5 million with a $3 million matching grant in the behavioral and mental health needs of the children of the Dayton region.
An investment like this allows us to really transform the model of care. It allows us to fully integrate a behavioral health approach into our traditional medical care. Alongside the pediatrician might be a psychologist, a clinical counselor, or an early childhood developmental specialist.
We talked for years about integrating those services and making mental health assessments a part of the natural routine when we're doing a physical health assessment.
It's very different than the traditional model of walking in and spending a few minutes with the pediatrician. Now you're really interacting with a whole team of professionals that can help address all the various needs that are identified.
So we really see this being a sustainable, generational, game-changing type program. And not just for kids in Dayton. We see this being a national model. We'd love to see 15, 20 years down the road when people talk about optimal child health, we want them to say, you need to get to the Connor Child Health Pavilion in Dayton, Ohio.
That's the stuff that makes me feel really good about what's happening in our community and for the future of our young people and our families. We're really tackling a tough situation, and it's going to be so much better for all of us on the other side of this.
The Connor investment is truly transformational. It lets us get to provide care in ways that haven't been possible before. It's innovative and it's inspirational and it's incredibly exciting to be a part of.
This is one of the largest gifts that Dayton Children's has ever received and is truly an historic investment in our children, and we couldn't be more grateful.
At the end of the day, this isn't about us, this isn't about Dayton Children's, this is about the kids in our community that need our help, and it's about their futures. We believe that Dayton Children's has a groundbreaking strategy. We believe in the people they have in place, we believe in the plans, and we believe that this is the best potential investment we can make in these kids in this community. But we need your help. Please consider investing right alongside the Connor Group Kids and Community Partners.